Hey, Willow here. I've pretty quickly figured out that the thing to do is kind of a week by week because things are so random that I can't really do solid topics. I mean, I kind of can, but I mostly can't. So I'm just going to kind of cover whatever's happening this week. In this case, I'm kind of putting this cabinet side back together. Another cabinet was here. We've moved that. That's the one with that's going to have the roses on it. But in the meanwhile, I kind of tore the back of this apart to, get the cabinets apart. So I got to fix what I did. So here's the damage done. I've just cut a panel to fit back there because this panel was covering both this area and the cabinet that is now not here. So yeah, that's one of the many things. That, and then I'm going to do the gift shop, I hope. It's so hot. Well, you know, that's what trims for. We're closer. There, just need some persuasion, huh? Just kick it. Just absolutely just boom.
We're in the wall.
All right, so the basement. This was originally used to hold too many things that should not be in a basement. It has unfortunately flooded a couple of times, so we're trying to move everything out of the basement slowly over time. But then where do you put it? Well, that's why we're hopefully getting a new storage building at some point. So we're looking for some things.
Bocce balls.
Bocce balls, Indian game sticks. I found somewhere in this rather lengthy list written by someone else. There was like film canisters. Hey, all right.
Bocce balls.
Woohoo.
There's a lot more.
There's a lot. They do have numbers on them. Right?
The whole thing says 17.
17? Wait, no, there's 17 balls? Or there's...
No, he numbered starting with 001.
Ah.
And these guys ended up as number 17.
Okay, because we've got like 203 and then 211 and then 217 and I'm
taking them all.
Yeah.
And their little box once I get them.
And their little box. Because it's part of the Italian display that we're working on.
15.
Really?
Cups.
Ooh. Well, what does it say something on the box?
No.
Where did
wait a
that
minute.
come from?
Does it say community
Club from Vera Plunkett, I think. Well, what? They do look like smelting cups. Oh,
That's
man.
what I thought.
Such a mystery. This is what happens when people start a project, completely renumber everything differently, and then leave.
Well, this for sure
Oh, well,
is.
yeah, that's for sure.
And ooh.
Yeah, nice glaze, right? Okay, but section 23. Oh, there it is. There's the lizard.
Yeah.
Why do we have that? Why does that even exist?
I don't know, but we don't need it, I don't think.
12 maybe is there's shoe shine brushes. Oh my god. Okay, let me see if I can find some stuff on this list. Oh, okay, but like why? I don't know. Where did that go? Film Tahiti. No, I don't want that film. Tahiti. Oh, 41, section 241, 88. Oh, that's why the numbers, because that's, okay, 34, got it. Because for one thing, I mean, textiles and film reels and anything moisture sensitive absolutely should not be down here. But, oh man, I think things have gotten moved around. Where could this be? Yeah, but like...
Hello?
We're here.
Okay.
I keep thinking about multiple things, including the ag tour.
Right. We got the ag tour coming up. Is it like a...
I don't know what it is.
It's got a big belt down there, so it's a belt-driven something.
Big grindstone, it looks like.
Yeah, is it like for flour? Is there a number anywhere on there?
Oh, that's a good...
You know, we can look it up.
Maybe under the cobwebs.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't immediately see a number.
And all this thing is part of it, the belt.
Yeah.
That's
substantial. It's going to need like 4 sturdy people to drag that out of the basement. Gee.
4 sturdy people of youth.
With good backs.
Yeah.
It's 77, 1, 2, maybe in here. This also says 1. Lord. Nope, that's glass bottles. 140. Oh, the ones continue. Oh, these are this type. I know what these are. Now, I found them, but they're just what I thought, which is... Oh, an opium box. 1... Okay. I found a thing. Oh, there's those ox shoes. You want some very pretty ox shoes? They've been plated.
Aww.
Aw, I mean, do you need them for anything?
What are they?
Ox shoes.
Oh. Well, I guess they make a nice display in the Barrett room along,
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, so here's this.
Fine with me.
Too short to see what's up there. Okay, well, these are Eastern style, not California Indian, from Peppers, no doubt. There were a couple of these in the native case before I got here, because it just in the the records that Indian stickball game, and people were like, "Oh, Indian stuff," but yeah, it's not from here, so that's why I took it out of the case. But here's some different constructions. Very interesting, actually, just not from here. So, and I don't want these stored down in the basement, so I'm going to be bringing these up into the upper room. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is look at these numbers for these baskets. 85.99. This is our antiquated system is getting updated. We've gotten Catalog It, which I'm very excited about, which is going to be all in the cloud, but also we have our own local copy too. But there's these 3 baskets that I think are unusual because they're in the collection. Well, let me start over here. These could be important baskets because there was a weaver named Dulcie that there's only a few of her baskets known, and they're in the Mariposa Museum, and that's part of a different collection. And I think we have 3 sort of semi-unknown Dulcie baskets in our collection. 85. Oh yeah, there we go. 89, 85, 93. That are going to be, added to the knowledge about her body of work. Which, until I went digging around in here. Yeah, here we go. Loaned to Bertha Hopp in 1934 or 35. So Dulcie died in 1926. Had them on display in the window. Originally belonged to Indian lady Mrs. Warner or Dulcie. Oh, so Dulcie, what? That's a different name. It's not Dulcie Beale. What? Okay, the mystery continues. Because this is a whole different person. I need to do more research on this. Wow, I don't know what to make of this. Welp, the mystery continues. And that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. I'm not sure. It's just going to be dependent on what ends up happening the week that I'm here. You never know. You could get some person coming in with some amazing treasure. You could have a weird mystery to solve. You could discover strange things in a basement. You could be cataloging things and discover, oh, I didn't know that about these Edison wax cylinders. You know, you never know what you're going to find. There's still a lot of items from the Barrett collection that are yet to be assessed. And the work is ongoing. And I'll see you next time on Museums from the Inside Out.